Let's say that 3 times fast. Abs, 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 abs. What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and this is Abs, Abs, Abs Day 2. So what is Abs, Abs, Abs? Abs, Abs, Abs is a 21-day commitment that we're making to work out our abs every single day, no skips. So yesterday I did day 1, and if you skip that, you can go and start that if you click the video right here. But essentially today's day 2. I'm kind of feeling it in my bones. I'm a little bit sore, and that's because I haven't been in the gym for a couple of weeks. Hopefully in the next couple of days that soreness will leave me and I'll be in a better position to smash these goals. Today's day 2 is going to be a different set of exercises, and we're just going to get through them just like we did yesterday. So let's get this bread. So the first exercise you see me doing here is called the side plank, and I'm not even gonna lie to you, I hate these things. They're the most uncomfortable exercises ever, and I always have an issue with my legs like staying on top of each other. However, I always do them because they really work your obliques and help strengthen your core. And so when you tighten your obliques, it actually helps you create the illusion of a slimmer waist. So I always try and do these for about 45 to 60 seconds if I can hold it for that long, because I know that even though they hurt me so good, they work. The next exercise you see me doing here is heel taps, and I love them because I feel like they're really simple. However, they work really well, and they work the top of your abs. So if you really want to make sure that your belly isn't like protruding from like your boobs, you should definitely do heel taps because they work. Let's not forget that one of the most important parts of getting abs is your diet. So if your diet isn't in shape, probably try to fix that up. The next exercise you see me doing here is called the traditional plank, and this is one of my favorite planks because it is easier than the ones that you do on your elbows. However, just like I mentioned yesterday, this is something that you can vary when you start getting tired. So when I start getting tired from a traditional plank, I switch to a plank with shoulder taps. And so in this way, I can extend the duration of the exercise and still get that burn, as well as incorporating different muscle groups into the workout. So I love doing this. And the last exercise of today, yeah, it's a quick one, is the half curl. Again, these work the upper ab section, and I just do a bunch of these until I get tired, to be honest. I don't even count the whole 60 seconds because there's something that like you can literally just do in the middle of your day. You can just lie down on the floor and get this done, and you will power through. Like, honestly, I'm really praying that these exercises give a girl some semblance of abs by the end of this year. But even if they don't, I know that the reason I'm doing it is to get a stronger core. So that's all, folks. Today marks day 2 of Abs, 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 where we work our abs every single day for 21 days straight. If you haven't already, please tap that subscribe button. If you know you're somebody who doesn't have access to the gym, who can't make time to go to the gym, but you still want to get your workout in and you still want to work on specifically your abs and that lower stomach area, tap the subscribe button to stay updated, because I'll be posting 21 ab workout videos for you and I to smash our goals before the end of 2018. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Sarah Jane, and I am documenting the process.